depend on the remote case that I just described for right now.
Fine.
No, again, I get lost. You have a guitar now. I mean, you're playing guitar and you're feeding to an amplifier and to a loudspeaker. So what is your project is doing here? Let me explain it.
Our project is basically generating guitar effects. So the
So
UI
you-
can
Altering the signal coming out from the
Without
guitar.
playing, you can play the guitar from there?
No. We set the effect here.
They have
and
to do
then-
something physical, but that physical thing gets transformed through their box.
It basically takes a nice sinusoidal audio signal and distorts it, alters it, both with an analog circuit 4 different ways, and with a DSP chip 5 different ways. They clip it, they compress it, they echo it, and so that's what, when a guitar player is
So
making
then,
music,
yeah.
that's what he does.
So when you play this music something, you are getting a better quality with
Not
No,
better,
no,
not better.
usually
whatever's
worse.
desired. Yeah, not better. It's whatever's the old style guitarists, you know, they have the little.
Show them fuzz.
That's the effect.
Fuzz.
Fuzz
Fuzz is
fuzz.
the classic.
One way you could say it's intentionally damaging the
No,
signal.
whatever it is, for whatever people like. Some people like that. So
Yeah, go ahead and play that distorted. Strum it again. See how it sounds? Okay, now turn it off. Turn off the fuzz.
Basically, the display going us again.
So now you've got undistorted, nice, clear,
Yeah,
and now fuzz back
used to
on.
guitar.
now it's better.
Yeah, no, better is a matter of opinion.
Yeah, this.
12-year-olds like it the other way. Right, so,
Yeah, if you're in a rock band, that is better.
Yes.
Okay, so that was fuzz. That's digital fuzz, right?
Digital fuzz.
What is
Okay.
the use of the display there?
Well, the original concept is that whether you're in the middle of playing or not, you can look down, and if you want to change an effect on the fly, you'd be able to touch the screen and make changes. But
So normally, just to clarify, the old style 50-year-ago guitar, the guy has a little wire and he's got to change it.
Or a foot pedal.
Or
Yeah,
a foot
foot
pedal.
pedal.
Yeah, a foot pedal. He does all that.
One for each
Right.
effect.
And now it's all, he's got little buttons he's supposed to push, but apparently the buttons don't work.
well, right, because after integration,
But if they did work.
we ran into some.
So these are part of that.
All these are the effects.
So that will increase your weight of the guitar. now.
Right.
Well, they
Unless
hauled out
unless they
a bunch
figure out how
of
to make it
wood.
unless they figure out how to make it lightweight. They can make it.
Well, I mean, they took a whole bunch of heavy wood out and they're replacing
Right.
it with some light stuff.
Right, right.
And
But
we
I guess this
intended
point
for
is
it to
And you can
Yeah.
also make a nice printed
Actually, it's lighter right
it
now.
should be lighter because
You
of
got
the
everything.
Exactly.
But the machine shop they decided to remodel, so we had to make do with our own manufacturing skills.
Okay, so fuzz, what's next?
Reverb.
Reverb, okay.
It's just a very, very slight
Oh,
delay.
don't get in the way.
Not quite as pure, but there's a little delay that's going on in there.
Alright, so yeah, hit 2.
2.
Yeah. This one's pretty subtle, it just we simulate the tube amplifiers used that were popular in the 60s and 70s.
So this
It's
is
just-
2?
Yeah, 2. You have something similar to analog. So you want to hit delay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go for it.
This one, like I stop playing the note, it kind of rings out for a while, much more than reverb. So. And I guess we move on to the analog effects.
Oh, we can do shape.
Oh yeah, shaper. This one's very interesting. It kind of came up with it. It's just a very.
This is not normally planned? So not normally one of the effects out there?
No.
So you guys just like invented a new effect? That's pretty cool.
Kind of. I mean, it's not. I haven't ironed out all the kinks yet. It's
No, but it sounds good, yeah.
Yeah,
like an echo.
It's very.
Yeah, it's an echo thing built in.
Yeah, but it's fun to play around with and try to get the timing and
Right.
play with your,
Yeah.
an echoed version. Yeah, so analog effects.
Yeah, I wish I would be able to fix that corruption in time.
Oh, this is another fuzz distortion, just with the analog circuitry.
Light's still staying green. Absolutely not.
As you just
Compressors? Which one is
Compressor.
back to fuzz.
Go back.
Pretty sure fuzz was enabled for that other effect.
Yeah.
There you go.
Because without fuzz,
Ah.
volume being up.
No, you
Yeah.
could put compressor.
Without fuzz?
Oh no, you're right.
Yeah, that's bypass through fuzz.
True. I know. This will be compressor.
This is not-
Yeah, and no matter if he's plucking the string hard or playing it lightly, it should sound relatively the same volume. And that's what the compressor's doing.
Now, besides these transformations, do you have the option to transform the kind of instrument, like to honky tonk or piano, and so you know how they?
Yeah, we didn't.
Like,
PST, sort of.
yeah, like this.
We didn't really research too much of that. We were just trying to get the classical,
Just to get it
just the
going,
popular
yeah.
guitar effects that we use.
That was actually the original plan for the project, is to do more like a synthesizer type thing.
Which would have all those other effects.
But that would be
yeah, much more.
that would be like 95% software.
Right, just transformation.
And not much
Just
to,
DSP
yeah,
software.
yeah.
And distorted.
But what do the products in the market have? Like a guitar like this, is there something out there in the market right now that the guys can just use like this? Or no?
There is products like this. Usually it's just people make modifications where they just put a pedal in the guitar, but it's a dumb pedal, you know, with regular knobs and stuff.
But there's no actual
as far
device
as
like this on the market that has the panel and everything.
there are devices that have touchscreens, but that don't exactly have the capabilities
Yeah, that you guys have.
of this.
Usually they're more soft or DSP based than they are analog.
Yeah, usually just digital effects and not much else.
These same things could be used like Indian instruments. A sitar, you know, you could have totally different effects.
Well, provided we could get the circuit board, we could get the components mounted on there somehow.
That's true. Those tend to be smaller instruments too, but
Yeah.
still, it's an interesting idea to kind of take any music and transform it.
Right. I would envision for that you'd have a belt thing.
Probably a little
You
pocket. thing, yeah.
plug it
Yeah.
from your guitar into this thing on your belt. And you've got your control.
But these guys tend to sit down anyway. They sit down
We had
and-
discussed an alternate concept where if this got big enough, we'd have it as a backpack with the power supply and everything, and have an amp on it. So
Keyboard.
You could just walk around with
Yeah.
it.
Okay, you guys.
Yeah, that's
Good.
everything.
Okay. Congratulations.
This seems like a little bit more complicated project than
Thank you.
normal. Is that
Thank you for
true, or am I
coming.
just imagining
Yeah,
that?
no,
We
I
ran
think so.
into.
This would be.
But just in
This
terms
would
of-
be on the high side. Of,
Congratulations.
Thanks for coming.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we need to give them all the
Form
paperwork.
needs to be filled out.
Yeah, I'll just have.